Congratulations, you made it to the end of this course, Modern SQL for Data Analysts with BigQuery in the AI Era. You've covered a lot of ground and built a skill set that will serve you in real-world data projects. We started with the foundation level, where you learned the basics of SQL, starting with select and from to pull data, filtering rows with where, summarizing information with aggregates like min, max, and avg, grouping results with group by, creating custom columns, and finishing with the importance of data quality by checking duplicates and handling null values. This gave you the base syntax and logic that every query is built on. In the intermediate level, we took it further, learning how to combine multiple tables with joins, understanding different join types like inner, left, right, and full outer, and then building awareness of data quality issues by spotting duplicates and missing values before they break your queries. We added conditional logic with case statements to apply business rules directly in SQL, and we practiced breaking complex problems down with subqueries and common table expressions. This section gave you the tools to write flexible, readable queries that can handle real business problems. In the master level, we focused on performance and professional workflows. You learned advanced filtering techniques using like, having, in, between, and exists to refine your results with precision. You learned how to save results as tables and views in BigQuery, which is essential for reusability and collaboration. You mastered window functions like row_number, rank, and sum over, which let you calculate running totals, rankings, and group comparisons without collapsing rows. We looked at writing cost-efficient queries, making sure you only scan what you need, and we covered clean SQL code practices like consistent naming, indentation, and comments so your queries remain maintainable as they grow. Finally, we showed how AI can fit into your SQL workflow, helping you generate queries, debug, and optimize, as long as you provide clear prompts and validate the results. Altogether, you now know how to query, filter, aggregate, join, build logic, structure queries with CTEs, and write advanced SQL in a way that is both powerful and professional. As for what's next, this course prepared you to analyze data, but the next step is scaling this to enterprise workflows. That's where our upcoming course on Dataform comes in. Dataform builds on SQL but adds version control, testing, and workflow automation so you can move from individual analysis to production-grade data pipelines. By combining your SQL skills with Dataform, you'll be able to operate at the enterprise level and bring the same discipline to analytics that software engineers bring to code. So congratulations again on completing this course. Keep practicing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next step of your journey.